एक, what is prodrug? Prodrug is a compound with little or no pharmacological activity that metabolizes inside the body and converts into a pharmacologically active drug compound. 2. What is heparin? How it works? Heparin is an anticoagulant, blood thinner, that stops your blood from forming blood clots or making them bigger. It can help a blood clot dissolve faster, but it can't break it down. 3. Instrument used for checking durability of tablets at the time of shock and abrasion. Friability tester. 4. Catechu is used as. In medicines, catechu bark is used for diarrhea, swelling of the nose and throat, dysentery, swelling of the colon, colitis, bleeding, indigestion, osteoarthritis, and cancer. 5. pH of blood 7.46. Causative agent of measles? A virus that belongs to the Paramyxovirus family, genus Morbillivirus. 7. ELISA test is for what? To detect and measure antibodies in blood and to diagnose viral infections. 8. 1 मिलीग्राम बराबर 1/1000 ग्राम. 9. Pharmacy Act came in 1948. 10. Strain present in BCG? An attenuated strain of Mycobacterium bovis. 11. Hardest connective tissue? Bone. 12. Full form of HEPA? High efficiency particulate air. 13. What is histology? Microscopic study of tissues and organs through sectioning, staining, and examining those sections under a microscope. 14. Atherosclerosis takes place in which parts of body? Inner walls of arteries. 15. Opium is which part of plant? Unripe poppy seed pod. 16. What is the main importance of parenteral preparation? They offer a reliable and rapid way to deliver medications directly into the bloodstream. 17. In which form of drug delivery we check sterilization? Parenteral drug delivery system. 18. Antiseptic slows or stops the growth of microorganisms on external surfaces of the body and helps to prevent infection. 19. Disinfectant any substance or process that is used primarily on non-living objects to kill germs. 20. First pharmacist world Dioscorides and Claudius Galenus, India, Mahadev Lal Scroff. 21. First lady pharmacist world Maria Dorer, India Sneh Rani Jain. 22. Chromatography technique for separating the components or solutes of a mixture on the basis of the relative amounts of each solute distributed between a moving fluid stream. 23. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder in which red blood cells contort into a sickle shape. The cells die early, leaving a shortage of healthy red blood cells, sickle cell anemia, and can block blood flow causing pain, sickle cell crisis. 24. Calcium channel blockers amlodipine, diltiazem, felodipine. Isradipine, nicardipine. 25. Proton pump inhibitors omeprazole, esomeprazole, lansoprazole, pantoprazole, raprazole. 26. Pessary. A pessary is a silicone device that is inserted into the vagina, which helps support the uterus, vagina, bladder or rectum. 27. Biological source and family. 1. Tulsi family Lamiaceae, source Freesia and dried leaves of Ocimum species. 2. Fennel family Umbellifers, source dried ripe fruits of Phoeniculum vulgare. 3. Sandalwood family Santalum, source dry deciduous forests. 28. MDI meter dose inhaler 29. Suspensions are often used as a dosage form when the drug is insoluble in water and when use of solubilizing agents is not possible. 30. Pernicious anemia, a decrease in red blood cells when the body can't absorb enough vitamin B12. 31. Components of solution, solvent and solute. 32. Which type of emulsion is castor oil in water type? 33. Which science deal ADME, pharmacokinetics 34. ADME absorption, digestion, metabolism, excretion 35. Pharmacology define the science of medical drugs and medications, including a substance's origin, composition, pharmacokinetics, therapeutic use, and toxicology. 36. Half of insulin estimated biological half-life of insulin in the bloodstream lies between 3 and 5 minutes. 37. Iodine solution. Iodine solution is a versatile antiseptic that is used for the treatment and prevention of infection. 38. Plaque. A small, abnormal patch of tissue on a body part or an organ. Plaques may also be a buildup of substances from a fluid, such as cholesterol in the blood vessels. 39. Autocoids. Autocoids are endogenous organic molecules with potent pharmacologic effects that are not part of traditional immune or autonomic groups. Example: histamine and serotonin. 40. Milk secretion, process lactation, gland mammary gland, hormone prolactin. 41. Eye receptors. The human eye has 3 different types of light-sensitive receptors: rods, cones and photosensitive ganglion cells. 42. Otic cavity, middle ear cavity of human ear. 43. Lifespan of platelet 7 to 10 days in human. 44. Route of administration of nitroglycerin, oral and sublingual. 45. Which hormone detects pregnancy? Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, is a hormone for the maternal recognition of pregnancy produced by trophoblast cells that are surrounding a growing embryo, which eventually forms the placenta after implantation. 46. Drugs used against epilepsy and convulsions. Anti-epileptic drugs, AEDs, for epilepsy, example: gabapentin, carbamazepine, phenobarbital, pregabalin, diazepam, valproic acid. 47. Monophasic liquid. Monophasic is the single-phase system of liquid dosage form, which contains 2 components, i.e. solute and solvent of the solution. 48. Ligature. Ligature is the material used to tie something during surgery. Ligatures are used to tie off blood vessels, and they may be made of silk, gut, wire, or other materials. 49. Category of drug. Quinidine sulfate, class 1A, antiarrhythmic and antimalarial drug. 50. Smallest organelle in nucleolus ribosome. 51. Full form of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease, SARS, severe acute respiratory system. 52. Biological name of ginger: Zingiber officinale roscoe, Tulsi, Ocimum tenuiflorum. 53. Antiemetic drugs. An antiemetic is a drug that is effective against vomiting and nausea. Antiemetics are typically used to treat motion sickness and the side effects of opioid analgesics, general anesthetics, and chemotherapy directed against cancer. 54. Difference between lotion and liniment. 1. Liniment contains alcohol, which makes it a lotion, while a lotion does not contain alcohol. 2. Liniments are applied by rubbing the product into the affected area, while a lotion is applied by rubbing the product into your hands. 55. T2DM, type 2 diabetes mellitus. 56. Schedule of drugs. C contains various biological products and their regulation. Examples: serums, adrenaline, vitamins. C1. List of biological and special products, non-injectable, with specific regulations. 8. Schedule H drugs are those medicines which contain a very high alcoholic influence. These are used to treat some serious diseases like heart diseases, anxiety disorders, and other diseases. 57. Aerosol. Aerosols are the pressurized systems which act by releasing either continuous or metered dose of fine mist spray after a proper activation of its valve system.